Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little something different. Today we're going to be taking out the gas tank in my wife's vehicle because the fuel pump went bad. It's an old Ford Expedition, so I'm going to show the ins and outs of it and the headaches and what to do and what not to do. So y'all just follow along and here we go. As you can see, I already got a jack up under and I already took out the hangers that hold it. It's a 13mm boat up in there. You got two of them. Take them loose and just let them hang, or take them off, how you want to do it. And then let your tank rest on that jack. Okay, there's a few lines you're going to have to take off. You ain't got to worry about taking the fuel filter off because it's just falls with the tank. But you got two in the back, the filler, where the filler is, and the two lines coming from the tank going to the fuel pump. So let me switch over there. That's your two fuel lines right there. You got that hook. All you do is match the two sides, where the green clamp is, press them together and pull out, and it slides right on that. You got two like that. You got a big one and a small one. And then you got your filler hose right here. Mine had a little clamp on it. I'm sure everybody else does, but mine was turned the opposite way where I needed it to be, so it was hard getting to. But it's a 6mm wrench or ratchet if you can get to it. So I already got mine loose, which I didn't want to show y'all that because it's hard to do it with one hand and try to hold the camera. Alright, so I got it loose and got it spun around. So now I'm going to take this loose, and then once I get that loose, I can go ahead and drop the tank, lower it down, and then see what else I got to take off. Because I know with a fuel pump you may have to take another one. There's a vacuum hose or a exhaust hose or something on the very end I have to take off. But once I get the tank lowered, we'll see what I do, because it can be a little headache too. So I'll show you that, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to try to remove this hose with just one hand while I hold the camera, but that will come off right like that. So I may have to get some pliers on it. But as you can see, the clamp is loose. So I'm going to spin it around. I may go ahead and loosen it some more so I can pull it back, and then get some pliers or something to try to work that hose off. Twist it off there. So I can get here. Bracket. You got screwdriver in there. Let me get my screwdriver. Go ahead and lower this tank, see what happens. Alright, let's see what else we gotta get here. This should be okay. Fuel filter. gonna hang, so we got something else that's got it. Alright, let's see if we can get there and see it. Okay, the lines maybe right there, so I'm just gonna clamp them. So I gotta take these out real quick. Get through them. Screwdriver for this here. I can snap them out, but I'm gonna get a screwdriver in. Hate this. There's the fuel pump light. Get up under here and see. A tight fit up under here. Yeah, there's right there. Focusing on there. I gotta see. Yeah, the hose has still got me over there. Alright, let's see. Maybe I can. Be a push it. I don't know. Let's see. Get a close up view of that over there. The exhaust on let's see if I can see it. Yeah, so we've got a clamp on it. I got it too far focused in there. Watch there. There's that hose right there. Maybe what's holding me, it shouldn't have come on down, but try again. So get up out from under here. These holes ain't connected. Hang on, let's see. Something right here. Going to that shouldn't hold me. Okay, after a little maneuvering, I finally got it where I need to go. Alright, there's the fuel pump. So you're going to unhook that line. The pump gives power. And then you got to unhook the pump itself. And you got this exhaust. Well, evaporate. I don't know what it is. I guess it's a gases that come out. Fumes or whatever. Now hook that and then let's see, maybe I don't know. Maybe one to the tank. Let's go on the tank. I don't know. Yeah, let's just go on to the tank. So I gotta work like that. So I'm just gonna unhook the wire and lines going to the top. And then you're gonna have to get a block or a block, maybe a I don't know, flat metal, piece of metal to tap this lid off. You're going to have to take it and hit it counterclockwise to loosen it. Then once you get that loose, you'll be able to take the pump out. So let's go ahead and try to get that done, and then we'll pull out the pump. Alright, as you can see, I got it tapped off. Now I'm just going to pull it on out of here. You got to maneuver it because you got all these little hoses, and then your float catches it and everything. So let's see if I can maneuver this out. muddy here. Move the lines out of the way. Let's see. Maybe a little too close to it. I don't know yet. There we go. Sorry for the filming, y'all. It's hard to do with one hand and near the other, holding the camera up. Yeah, just a little maneuvering past all your. Well, let's see if I can turn this around here. Float out of there. Sideways and voila, it's out of there. Now we gotta get the float, and it's out. We'll set that over there, and we're gonna crawl out from under here. So that's basically all there is to it. And then once you get your other fuel pump, it's just reverse of what you've done here. So we're gonna get this rag and cover this hole up, because mine's not gonna be in until a few days, so I'm going to cover it up. Make sure nothing gets up in there. Leave that there, and then I'll put this around it. Yeah, right there, make sure nothing can get in there. And that's pretty much what it is. It's a hassle, but it's got to be done. So I appreciate you watching. It's a little different on our channel, but this is what I do every day. I work on different things. When the vehicles mess up, it's me that had to fix them. I don't pay nobody to do it. I do it myself. And it's just a way of saving money and learning, how. I grew up being a mechanic, so this is what I do. So I appreciate y'all watching. I hope you like and subscribe and keep watching my channel. It really helps me. I appreciate y'all. Have a good day.